Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a very special bag for you today. So this is a classic Chanel. It is the Chanel double flap and it's in the size medium, which for me personally is the perfect size for a classic Chanel, especially the double flap. It's in this beautiful caviar leather, which is known for its durability, it's hard wearing, it's long lasting, and it is gorgeous as well. And what is really special about this bag is if you look at this CC turn lock, you can see that it's got a little hallmark on the turn lock, so that means that it is 24 karat gold plated. So very, very special, like the epitome of luxury. So this is from 2008. I'll show you where the date code is in a minute, but that's when they stopped doing 24 karat gold plated hardware. So this is one of the last with that real gold plated hardware, and it is just stunning. So I'll talk you through all the features of it. We've got this double strap, which is also an adjustable strap, so you can have it as a long strap like that. I'll pull it back through so you can see it, how you can have that as a double strap again. And then along the back, we've got one exterior flap pocket, and as always with Chanel, the quality is just incredible. So all of that quilting lines up perfectly. And then it is a double flap, so we have two flap closures. The first one has that CC turn lock, and underneath it's got one zipped pocket, just like that. And then we've got the second flap closure that has a press stud fasten, and inside here we have got the CC stitched into that leather lining. We've got one large flap pocket, and then we've got two smaller flap pockets and a little lipstick pocket in between. The date code for this one is tucked away into the bottom corner. Let me try and get it at an angle so you can see it. So you can see a little white sticker just in the corner there. That is where the date code for this one is. It begins 12, so it is from 2008. As I said, that's where it's got that gorgeous gold plated hardware. And it is in a really, really lovely condition. We have called the exterior, the interior and the hardware very good condition, and I'll show you as to why. So the exterior, you can see it's just beautiful. It's obviously been kept and been stored with lots of love and care. It's all in a really nice condition. The shape is really nice. You can see it's got that structure still. The reason we called it very good is because it just has a little bit of, can you see that little red mark just on the bottom there? And actually, you would barely notice that. Only when it's right up in this light can you see that little bit of a red mark. We've got the slightest little mark by the handle loop as well. And that's the only reason that we've called it very good. Other than that, it is perfect. The hardware we've called very good. It just has some very slight scratching to it, but it's very minimal. This chain is lovely. And with gold plated hardware, if it's been used and worn, you can often see silver coming through, but I can't see any silver coming through on any of this hardware. Just a very slight bit of scratching, but nothing major. And then the interior, again, we've called very good. So this flap closure is lovely. That's in a really nice condition. We just have a little bit of creasing on this flap closure and some very slight marking and slight creasing on the very interior. But again, it's all minor wear, so that is why I've called it very good condition. It just feels beautiful. I love the feel of an older Chanel. They just have a really lovely quality to them. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have the Chanel authenticity card, and we've got a little Chanel envelope, and inside that envelope we have these little Chanel kind of story cards. So there's 3 of those, and then finally we've got Chanel box and the Chanel dust bag. It's always nice when it comes with the box if you're looking to gift it either to someone else or to yourself. So that is everything that it comes with. If you'd like to see it on our website, it's available to purchase when this video goes live. So if you're seeing this video as soon as it goes live, make sure you head to that link in the description, and it should take you straight to this. You can have a look at all the details for it, you can add it to the cart. But if it doesn't take you straight to this and it just takes you to our generic product page, that means that this particular one has sold. We have some more beautiful classic Chanel, so make sure you have a look at everything that we've got available anyway. But if it's something like this that you're looking out for in particular, let us know, we'll get you on the request list, and then we'll let you know as soon as we have in another one. I'll show you the size on me before you do that though. So I'm a size UK 10 and I'm 5'4". That shoulder strap as a double strap is perfect to wear on your shoulder, or you can pull it through and have it as a bit of a longer shoulder strap as well. I think this is just the perfect size. It's easy to wear, it doesn't get in the way, but it's big enough to fit in those daily essentials, and it's just gorgeous. So make sure you have a look at it on our website. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on there, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. Have a look at the How to Sell with Us page if you have any gorgeous bags like this one that you're looking to sell. We'd love to see what we've got, and we'll see you very soon with some more gorgeous arm candy.